Learner dashboard. Google Chrome.
Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to access a dashboard in Prishni. After your successful login, you are redirect to a dashboard page. You can navigate using tab key or up arrow, down arrow, or press button K. Okay, before that, you can choose to browse mode and press Control Home.
Banner landmark. Same page. Link. Skip to main.
Okay, I'm pressing down arrow.
Button. Expanded sidebar menu.
Okay, you can expand the sidebar menu. You can press spacebar
Collapsed. Collapsed.
or collapse,
Expanded.
expanded. Okay, then press down arrow.
Link graphic. Prishni logo. Redirect to home page.
Okay,
List with one item. Clickable. Collapsed. Same page. Link account options logo.
okay, this is account option. You can press enter,
Expanded. Expanded.
expanded. You press down arrow.
Clickable graphic LL.
Okay, you can in your short name.
Learner.
Okay, learner. Press a role.
Link learner at yahoo.com.
Okay, your email ID. Then you can sign out using down arrow. Down.
Visited link learner dashboard.
Okay.
Button night mode toggle switch. Link help.
Help.
Visited link sign out.
Sign out. If you click the sign out button, you can sign out from this account. Press escape. Then press down.
Out of list navigation landmark list with 7 items. Visited link dashboard.
Okay, dashboard. Press enter.
Learner dashboard. Navigation landmark list with 7 items. Visited link dashboard. Visited link explore courses.
Okay, then press H.
Main landmark list with 4 items. Learner dashboard heading level 1.
Okay, this is a dashboard. Press down arrow.
Total subscribed courses 5.
Okay, total subscribed course 5.
Total live session 0.
Okay, total live session. You can see this live session.
Total live webinars 2.
Okay.
Out of list heading level 2 notifications.
Notifications. Once they after your successful login, once the admin accept your account, you can come here and you can accept the notification. Okay, so this is the overall dashboard view. Thank you.
Learner. Screen sharing meeting controls window. Space, 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 space.